And we kick off with community news. The Children's Hospital at Montefiore opened the first hospital-based outpatient physical and occupational therapy gym for children who are aged 3 to 11 in the Bronx. Our BronxNet reporter Kim Aline brings us the story.
The Children's Hospital at Montefiore opened its doors to the first hospital-based outpatient physical and occupational therapy gym for children ages 3 to 11 years old.
We're celebrating the opening of our new PT and OT gym, physical therapy and occupational therapy gym here in the Children's Hospital, which is a first, to provide opportunities for all of the children within the Children's Hospital and in the community.
Established in 2001, the Children's Hospital at Montefiore has continually evolved to meet the dynamic needs of children and families, ensuring advanced care and support in 2024.
The epidemiology of disease that kids face and the therapies that we could offer kids at that time was very different than what it is today in 2024. Kids today in the Bronx need outpatient rehabilitation services. So this gym that you're about to see is part of our commitment to that constant evolution, change, and adaptation that makes us a great children's hospital.
This brand new space will accommodate up to 9,000 visits per year and will serve patients with a range of needs, including physical therapy that offers rock climbing and weightlifting suitable for children.
This is a pediatric-sized rock wall that allows children to use both their fingertips, their hands, their legs, so to exhibit their fine motor skills and further develop their gross motor skills in a fun and exciting way.
The new gym will also include a variety of toys designed to test and enhance young patients' gross and fine motor skills as well as cognitive development. This collaborative effort represents a significant step in offering the comprehensive support the Bronx needs.
You're meeting young people and children where they are. You're addressing the unique needs of this community.
Reporting for BronxNet, Kim Aline.
And thank you, Kim. In other news, the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention hosted a walk drawing over 300 participants to promote solidarity and raise funds for suicide prevention research. Our BronxNet reporter Chris Camilla has the details.
Over 300 people gather at Golden Avenue, adjacent to Lehman College, to walk in solidarity, addressing a matter that CDC data finds is the 11th leading cause of death in the United States. The American Foundation for Suicide Prevention is a long-standing advocate for community outreach and education. Their Out of the Darkness Community Walk series is a long-standing tradition spanning 3 decades, just one of their many efforts aiming to raise awareness and critical funds for suicide prevention research.
It's a beautiful Sunday here in the Bronx. We're at Lehman College. We've got about 300 people here this morning who are here with us to walk for suicide prevention. They may have lost a loved one or have struggled with mental health themselves, but everyone here shares that same connection that they want to save lives.
With 325 registered participants, this year's event saw a significant increase from last year's 120 attendees. The 2.1-mile walk around Jerome Park Reservoir symbolizing solidarity and support among today's participants.
We are very proud of the fact that this walk has been growing each year.
Co-chairman of the walk, Marty Greenberg, joining the effort for his 3rd consecutive year, says he relates with the mission statement, having also lost a loved one.
I personally lost my father to suicide, so this is a very powerful issue for me.
In New York City alone, approximately 500 people die by suicide annually, as reported by the New York City Department of Health and Mental Hygiene. And everybody here is walking for someone they know or knew affected by the issue.
My cousin TJ.
My nephew Adrian. Everyone who struggles with mental health issues.
When people come out and gather for events like this, it helps them to see that we are here for them, not just one borough. We're here for everyone.
Today's walk also creates crucial conversations surrounding mental health, educating participants about available resources. Principal Officer of nonprofit The Speak Initiative, Rachel Jones, emphasizes that while there is no single solution to stopping suicide, their partnership with the foundation is a significant step toward finding efficient solutions that reduce stigma and encourage more individuals to openly discuss their struggles.
Some ways we can combat suicide is one, education, two, being in community and talking about it, and three, using the resources that we actually have. So AFSP focuses on education, which they have a number of different education series that they do for the community, which are all free. And they also do research and advocacy as well.
By annually bringing a community together, organizations involved strive to create a safer, more supportive Bronx for those affected by suicide, to amplify that nobody is alone.
It may not be someone in your direct, immediate family. We all have some degree of connection to this cause.
On Golden Avenue, BronxNet Community Television, I'm Chris Kimella.
Great work. Thank you, Chris. That's all the time we have for our Bronx updates. We are taking a quick break, but guess what? We have more open when we return.